In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a to-do list in Monday.com. We're going to walk through the easiest method, which uses a widget on your personal dashboard. This is perfect if you just want a quick, simple place to capture your tasks without setting up a complex board or workflow. By the end, you'll have a clean, focused to-do list that lives right inside your Monday.com account. First, make sure you're logged into Monday.com and navigate to your dashboard. This is your high-level overview area where you can see different widgets and summaries from across your workspace. If you already have a personal dashboard, open that. If not, you can create a new dashboard and then follow along from there. The important thing is that you're on a dashboard page, not on a board or a workspace view. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the option that says Add Widget. This button is usually located near the top of the screen, and it's what allows you to customize your dashboard with different types of information. Click on Add Widget. A panel or menu will open up with a collection of widgets you can choose from, such as charts, tables, and various views of your data. From that list, find and select the widget called To-Do List. This is a built-in widget designed specifically for quick, personal task management. When you click To-Do List, Monday.com will automatically add it to your dashboard. You should now see a simple, clean list area where you can start entering your tasks right away. To start building your to-do list, click into the empty field or the first line of the widget and begin typing your first task. Think of each one as a single, clear action you want to complete, like send project update, review client feedback, or plan next week's schedule. As soon as you finish typing a task, press the Enter key on your keyboard. This will save that item to the list and instantly move your cursor down to a new line so you can add the next one. Continue typing each task and pressing Enter to build out your list. Over time, you can come back to this widget, check items off as you complete them, and add new tasks as they come up. Because it lives on your dashboard, your to-do list stays front and center every time you open Monday.com, helping you stay organized and focused throughout your day.